Alright, we are at the Glen Alps Trailhead again, which is the place we can get the flat top and hidden lake. We are headed to Ship Lake today. I expect 7 miles to get there. You can see Anchorage in the distance. And we've started here before when we went to Hidden, so I will turn the video back on probably when we get to that first bridge, but back down the football field and out to the valley. Moose! Alright, he's mosing. Alright.
Big boy.
We're looking good. If he turns quickly, I am bolting. I just want to get past you, buddy. Yeah, I'm definitely within 15 feet of him now. Holy shit. This is the closest I've ever been. I'm like 10 feet from this dude. Okay. We made it past the moose. That's awesome. They're very territorial. I don't know how well this came out because we were in the glare of the sun, but we're continuing on the trail. Hey, moose. Holy balls, that's close. Like, if he charged at me, I'd be so screwed right now. Moose. Okay, I'm backing off, buddy.
Big boy.
Continue on the trail. Thank you for cooperation. Appreciate it. We made it to the bridge. It's been 46 minutes of trailing. We've done 2.3 miles. Last time we just went over. We're gonna chill out for a little bit because it is early. We got hours and hours. It's 11:32 right now in the AM. Enjoy a little break here. We just hit the 5 mile mark, 3 hours, 10 minutes about, right? And that's looking down the valley from where we came, and you can see Anchorage and Turning an Arm. And if it's clear enough, you can see the mountains across there. If I pan this way, you're gonna see the backside over there with some clouds where Hidden Lake is. And if you keep going this way, you can see that peak looking thing that looks like a pyramid. We met a dude who said he's climbing that today, and that's called the ramp. So I'm like, have fun with that shit. When we get closer, that's a ramp, dude. But this valley up here continues on to the lake we're going to. And then if you go this way, that mountain separates us and Rabbit Lake in a little bit of distance, but it's on the other side of this. So again, Rabbit Lake, Ship Lake up here, Hidden Lake over there. So we've done 5.7 miles. Lake's apparently 1.3 left, total of 7. This is the little ridge we got to go up still to get to the lake, but the ramp, they made it to the top of this, and we saw them. You can't see them now.
I can see their orange.
You see a little reflection, maybe it's going to come up in the video, but they got to the top of that thing, and that is hella impressive because they beat us even up there than us getting to the lake, so that is cool. And we just passed 3 ladies right there walking. They just came up and around from the same area, so that is a hell of a hike. We didn't think we were going to see anybody out here this far, but it's kind of cool that we see people enjoying the outdoors just like us. Mostly friendly people.
Yeah.
Unless you warn them about moose and they get all pissy. I know you can't see it on the video either, but there are about 8 or more doll sheep, mountain goat things up there. So don't know how well it's going to come in the video, but they're really bright white. We saw them from a distance, thought they were just rocks because we always think rocks are sheep, and they ended up being rocks, but they were actually sheep this time. So, but a little more to the lake. And it's really windy again. We just came over the ridge, and this is what we see. It is down there, and getting down ain't a problem. It's coming back up this. That's gonna be a killer. Look at that. You've never seen this from up here. This is awesome. And I actually see a trail over there. Look at that. I think that goes to Rabbit. Yeah, at the top there. Remember there's a really tall trail on the top? That goes to Rabbit. This is just steep as shit. Alright, we're gonna size this up and figure out what to do. That is Ship Lake, and damn. So there really is no decent way to get down there. If you look over there, you can kind of see some marks where somebody slipped and made a little trail, but other than that, there's just nothing to safely get to there. And then the rest of this little trail that connects over, you can't see it, but it gets sketchier. And we're like, you know, on this freaking almost a cliff. It's kind of freaky. I didn't notice how bad it was walking, but sitting down, it is just like, you will fall and hurt yourself. So that is Ship Lake. And one of the ladies we passed earlier was like, who goes to Ship Lake? And this is why, because you can't really get to it. Even the dude that did the ramp was like, I've seen it from some mountain peaks, but never been down because it's a long way down. Yep, it's a long ass way down. So I'm not doing that. I don't feel comfortable doing that at all. And it's already been like what, about 6 miles, 5 something to get here, and then my ass is kicked. So this is like another mile of almost pure down to go, which would mean a mile of up to go, and I'm not doing a mile of up and all the way back. So it is an awesome view though. Just a shame we couldn't get to the water. So since we didn't have time to spend in the lake, we have been having fun stopping and enjoying the leisurely way back with a lot of daylight. And we usually don't do that, so we have to haul ass back. But we were just here stopping, having a smoke break, enjoying the clouds. I still can't get over the fact that I think I know of 7 people that have done that ramp today. And it's just insane. So kudos to them. I'm not ready for peaks yet. We like lakes and valleys. You still got to go up a hell of a lot of terrain to get to these places. But so at 6:45, we've gone 8.4 miles.
Correct.
And we came across the other side than when we went in on. So if you look over there, you can see one trail below and one trail up top. And we took the top one until it came down and connected eventually. But we came around all the way on the other side, and we're on this trail now. And it heads back too. We passed this on the way in because you have to cross a river. And we could have backtracked the river a bit and gotten wet and crossed it, but we came up and around that way instead, which I actually think was a longer, stupider way, because I can see where we were over there by that rock.
Oh, yeah.
And this has been a much better trail, and it was kind of just dumb luck we ran into it, but you know, we knew there was a trail on this side, cutting across, we would eventually hit it, and we did, so thank goodness. But I would recommend if we come back this way to only take this trail in and out to Ship. Because there was even another trail that went up and around to Ship, a different route that looked funner, honestly. So we're going to be hitting that stream, and we're probably going to take a break there, cool down a bit since we didn't get into the lake water. So still got some hiking to do. We just chilled for probably an hour or so on that little rock right there. And enjoy these streams. And if you notice from the hidden lake video, this is the same spot that we were like, we should cross. We totally crossed by going around the long way. It was a really popular spot. People kept coming by, take pictures, and we're like, dude, we're sitting here. We've done like 9 miles. I'm sitting on this rock, dipping my feet in the water. It was nice. So it is 8:22. We still got good daylight. We're going to be hitting some more blueberries because we've been picking along the way. I actually found decent spots coming along the second part of the trail here. So if we could find more, we're going to get some. We know they're going to be really good at Hanging Lake in another week or so. We're going back to the car now. Alright, we are leaving the parking lot. We did a total of 12.4 miles.
Take the next right to stay on Glen Alps Road.
And
Glen Alps Road for 1
6
mile.
hours and 42 minutes of moving time. We didn't see any wildlife on the way back, just some more people, a lot of bikers and joggers and stuff, so. But yeah, Ship Lake, that was hell. Like, getting there would have been crazy. I would have gone down and overnighted it if we were going to camp and go up the next day, but not one day. That was just too hard. So don't think we'll probably do it again this season because we've got a lot of others on the list we want to get to. That was Ship Lake.